So to give you an idea, we're doing a little tour, 2 rooms. What's your one, Greg?
2104.
2104. And ours is 2003. So what floor do you reckon yours is on then? Third floor? First. So you've got ground. First, second, third, fourth. I suppose you've got below ground, haven't you? Because it's built on an island. So we're going to pop up this room and we'll give you a little look around, see the layout of it. Up the stairs. Well, you've got a lift if you want to use it. There, I think, yeah. Up we go. This room has a, there we go. This room has a balcony overlooking the sea. It's got a sea view, this one, and has a balcony overlooking the pool and the sea. Alright, room 2104, the lights on. So, electronic key is there, emergency map there, 3 coloured doors on your right, wardrobes on your right, and bathroom on the left. I'll just pull this door shut here. So you've got bathroom on your left, light switches there, aircon control there, full length mirror there. So bathroom in here, mirror, hairdryer, shower, walk-in shower, toilet. So look at that shower there, it's a full length, fully tiled room, and full walk-in shower in there. That's really nice. So as I said to you earlier, it's a slightly different configuration to our room downstairs, but it must be the same width and depth, I think. They've just configured it slightly differently. So you've got a lovely, coming here now, you've got a lovely double bed there. Hanging space there as well, so much more space there. And you've got like 2 bedside tables there, your fridge there, place to put your cases, worktops, surfaces, etc, etc. Another lovely big mirror, TV, and another big bed there which they're not using, I don't think that's for like. So you've basically got 3 beds here and a table. So if you could imagine there in bed here, you could potentially draw back that blind, the blackout blind, draw back that curtain, and you literally got a view outside then. So you get your own patio out here, under the patio, and there you go. Tables and chairs, and your view there. Quite a high balcony as well, so it's quite safe. Sea view there. So that's that room, and let's pop back downstairs. We'll lock up and we'll have a look at our room. I know I've showed you that once before, but we'll do a proper little look around. They just lock like so. It's locked right across. There you go. Lovely bit of space. Lovely storage space. Fridge, light switches, sockets, etc. there. Let's pop downstairs now to our room. I'll do a quick tour of our room, which is a slightly different configuration. I'll speak to my daughter because she booked it all up, and I'll find out the names of these rooms. I'll give you the room numbers, but I'll let you know the names of the rooms because they're named differently, family room or suite or whatever. So we'll do that now. So as promised, here's the other room, 2003. And you notice there's little signs on the bottom. Do not disturb, check in, please clean that up. This is our room, this is one below the other room. So make sure it's switched on there. Please clean up. Because we had that switched off the other day and the maids didn't come in. So I'll just show you around this room. We're about to vacate, so excuse the mess. But it's a slightly different configuration. Same size room as upstairs, but slightly different configuration. We're about to leave this room, so our bags are packed, but we're here till sort of this afternoon, this evening. So we've got some beds over there. We're allowed to use the facilities. We did ask for extension on the room, but other people are coming straight in after us, I think. So unfortunately for us, we're going to have to sit by the pool all day, and we've still got facilities to use. There's still showers to use. So It's a bit of like an open plan toilet and shower area there. It's a bit strange, but it works okay. Shower there, walk-in shower. Nice large shower with shower head there and shower head there. Hair dryer there. So there's a fridge there. Wardrobe space there. Fridge there. Cupboard there. Facilities. 2 beds here. 2 singles. So, and that there. So they're going that way, so that's the door to the reception at the front. And come through this way. Through a sliding door here. A partition door. We have TV in that room, sorry, and also TV in that room. Nice large double bed there. Bedside cabinets, lights, large patio door, large mirror, chair, and there you go. That's basically the room here. Follow through outside the patio, and there's deck chairs, 2 deck chairs supplied, 4 chairs, table, and the pool just there. So that's to hang your stuff up. And that is it. I'm not sure if you call this ground floor because of the way it's configured, but this room is below the other room upstairs, my daughter's room. I hope that helps you make a decision on what room to get. I'll put in the comments below when I find out from my daughter the name of the room. Hope that's helped you. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.